Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, Tech It Simple. In today's video, I'll be guiding you on how to deposit on 22bet. Before we begin, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon to receive alerts every time we upload new videos. Now, let's get started. First of all, open your web browser. On the search bar, type in 22bet. Me. Once you've entered it, press enter, and you'll see these results. Click on the first link, and it will take you to this web page. On this web page, log into your account. If you don't have an account, create one by clicking on the registration button. After creating your account, click on the login button. Enter your login credentials in the provided boxes and click on login. Once you're logged in, on the top bar, locate the deposit button. Click on it, and you'll need to choose your payment method. Select any method you prefer. For example, I'll click on MasterCard. Enter your deposit amount and confirm your email address. Click on the Confirm button, then click on Go. You'll be taken to a page where you need to enter your card details. Once entered, click on the Pay button. After completing these steps, the amount will be deposited into your account. That's how it's done. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Also, turn on the notification bell icon to stay informed about our new uploads. I'll catch you on the next one.